So what is up guys, my name is Eric and we're here in Ocean Park, Cebu, and I'm going to be testing these two devices with me right now. This is my iPhone 11 and this is my GoPro Max. I'm going to be testing the video quality and picture quality of both devices. So I'm going to be actually using the same settings on both devices. This is 1080p resolution at 60 FPS, also in 30 FPS too, since both devices are coming with the same settings. Since the GoPro doesn't have 4K 60 FPS, and of course for the iPhone doesn't have the 5.6K 30 FPS 360 video. GoPro doesn't have slow-mo since the iPhone have. And yeah, we're gonna be using the same settings for both devices. Yeah, 30 FPS and 60 FPS. And we're gonna test it right now. So I'm shooting at 30 FPS, 60 FPS right now. That's what? I turned off the horizon leveling for, of course, my GoPro Max. I'm shooting on both devices with the most ultra-wide shot for both devices. That is iPhone's ultra-wide shot and Max Superview of my GoPro Max. This is how it looks like. Basically, I'm not using or not walking on catwalk right now or ninja walk. It's basically walking normally. Just a normal walk again. I'm not doing a ninja walk. Basically shooting 30 FPS on both phones, both devices, that is GoPro Max and the iPhone 11. So let's test them out. Remember, I'm shooting at 30 FPS on both phones, still at 1080p. I'm using same resolutions and same frame rate for these phones. Let's test the video quality in ultra wide shot. And now we're gonna test the low light with the devices. This is already, I'm already in a dark place right now. And now for the linear shot for the GoPro Max and 1x lens for the standard wide for the iPhone 11. This is the video quality. Yep, I think GoPro Max is having an advantage here. I think in low light quality. Testing on low light and for both ultra wide and Max Superview on iPhone 11 and GoPro Max. Also up here, I'm not also using horizon leveling for the GoPro Max to make it fair for the iPhone 11. So I can do something like this. So right now I'm testing both phones on their selfie cameras. I'll be using 1080p and 60 FPS. No, it's 30 FPS rather. First, we're here in low light for the selfie cam. We're going up. We're having a little light there. This is 1080p at 30 FPS. Now I'm shooting on 60 FPS on selfie cams, both devices. This is the iPhone and this is the GoPro Max. That was a low light right there. This is as much as how both devices get the wide shots. This is how wide I am. Testing on 60 FPS for the GoPro Max and for my iPhone 11. This is the video quality. This is at 60 FPS. Both devices, iPhone 11 and GoPro Max. I can't even see myself on the GoPro Max. I somehow can see myself on iPhone 11. Now 30 FPS on both phones. Max Superview for GoPro Max. Can't even see myself. Somehow I'm looking great on my iPhone 11 though. It's my niece right there. That's her. Somehow I'm really great in iPhone 11. Not on my Max. So we're also gonna test the battery level for both devices.
Look at the view.
On my iPhone 11, it's still at 85%, I think, 84. While on my GoPro, it's already at 62%. So yeah, it's gonna pass. So that's the difference, since the iPhone 11 is having a 3,000 plus milliamp hours of battery, while the GoPro only has 1,600. We're gonna be testing photo quality of two devices, for the iPhone 11 and the GoPro Max, and we're top of the Ocean Park, Cebu, and this is the view. Somehow my GoPro Max can see the view in Selfie. Not so much on my weight. I'm gonna adjust it to 11. There you go. Smart HDR is working properly. It's really smart. Smart HDR helps a lot for videos like this and photos like this. So I'm gonna be testing the photography capabilities of the both devices, my iPhone 11 and my GoPro Max. Low light. This thing is gonna shoot 5 megapixels only, so I'm gonna downsize every photo taken from my iPhone 11 from 12 megapixels to 5 megapixels. So here we go.
This is the scene where they film Aquaman.
Yeah.
This is the scene where they film
I think it's from Aquaman, right? So that concludes my comparison between my GoPro Max and of course my iPhone 11. I hope you guys enjoyed this video for the comparison. If you guys do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Till next time guys, goodbye and peace out.